Hi, my name is Freddy Zipman, and I'm representing the physics department at the Yeshiva College in this orientation for 2020. Students that go into physics at YC are usually interested in physics, engineering, computational physics, artificial intelligence, and they divide normally into those interested in getting a job right after their bachelor's or maybe a master's at Yeshiva, and those that want to pursue PhDs, and then finally those that want to develop their own companies. And so we have pathways for all those three types of populations, and if you are interested in pursuing one of those, you are very welcome to contact me or any of my colleagues at the physics department. Once you decide to be a major in physics, you will take during the first 2 years a sequence of 4 physics classes which are foundational, and you will learn starting from classical mechanics and then electricity and magnetism during the first year, and moving on the second year to subjects of thermodynamics, optics, and some elements of modern physics like general and special relativity and quantum mechanics. Starting in the second year, when you are taking Physics 3, you also are expected to start taking more advanced courses, okay, on topics similar to those covered in those introductory courses, but at a higher level. And so we offer electromagnetism, okay, which is typically applications of physics to electrical engineering. We offer classical mechanics, which are applications of physics to mechanical engineering. And then we offer thermodynamics and statistics, and mathematical physics, quantum mechanics, with emphasis on modern aspects of quantum computing. Okay. In terms of activities outside of the classroom, there are plenty of opportunities for students so interested in doing research with faculty in the department. Typically, the opportunities are more on the applied side of physics, at the border with engineering mostly. So there are applications in neural networks, and applications in using physics for biomedical applications. Okay. Many of our students pursue officially honors thesis, but those that are not in the honors program are very welcome to participate in research in the department. Other activities outside of the classroom involve clubs, and we have an active physics and engineering club where students discuss everything from doing activities on their own outside of the classroom, like designing different gadgets, to what is the job market like for physics students. One interesting thing that is developing right now is that very soon we will have the so-called engineering laboratory, which was supposed to start in the fall, but we have been delayed due to the lockdown. But we already have the room, and we have the equipment. We need to put it together as soon as we go back to campus. So, and that involves the idea of running activities for students within the classroom that will make use of laser printers and 3D printer, and in general electronic instrumentation for supporting the activities, mostly in the laboratories. Okay. After graduation, just as I mentioned before, many of our students go to graduate school either outside or with our masters in physics, or now it's even possible to pipeline into the masters in artificial intelligence. But what is important here is that for those of you that are interested in pursuing masters or PhDs outside of Yeshiva, in the last 15 years, give or take, all the students that have had interested in going in that direction have been accepted to top schools, either Ivy Leagues, which is the case in most for most applicants, or in some cases students were interested in other options, and they were accepted at top engineering schools, like recently Georgia Tech, which is one of the top 10 engineering schools in the country, or Technion, which is internationally very well known. The student went for mechanical engineering. Okay, so this is probably long enough. Let me stop here, and if you have any questions, of course, feel free to contact me or any other person in the physics department. Okay, good luck with your first semester. See you later.